Hey y'all, sorry I haven't posted in a while. I have been in recovery. I had to get surgery on my head. I had 31 compressed nerves and I've been dealing with chronic pain for a couple of years now. So I finally got that taken care of and I'm healing and I'm back and I'll be posting some more videos to share with y'all. But I am always active on my Instagram account, so if you'd like to follow that for some more inspiration, you can find me at Liz with an S, Lis, .eats.to.cure. But today I'm going to be sharing a video with y'all on how to make a French press coffee. It's super simple, but I actually posted it on my Instagram and a lot of y'all didn't know what it was or hadn't used it before, so I just wanted to share how simple it is and it makes the coffee so much better. All right, y'all, so this is a French press for those of y'all that don't know what it is, and it's super simple. All you need is this. You're gonna boil some water and you need some ground coffee. You can either grind it yourself or get it pre-ground. I do like to grind it myself. It just gives a better flavor profile. However, in the early mornings, I do not like to wake everybody up, so I will grind it ahead of time and keep it that way. So just make sure you store it in like a tight container so it stays fresh. And you kind of want to do it, I mean, if you can do it fresh every day, that's definitely better, but you can buy it pre-ground if you prefer that too. Okay, y'all, so this French press that I have is a large French press. They do make smaller ones if you wanted to do just a single serving. I make this for my husband and I in the morning, so I do two, I guess, batches you'd call it. It makes two really big cups of coffee, but today I'm actually going to be turning this into an iced coffee later, so I'm gonna make a huge batch. And I'm gonna do about 4 of these, which is a tablespoon. I do heaping tablespoons. And once the water boils, if you do 2 tablespoons, you can fill it up about halfway. But because we did 4 and I'm doing the full batch, I'm gonna fill as much water in there as I can. All right, y'all, so the water is boiling. I'm gonna turn this off and pour it in here. All right, till now we're just gonna put the top on. And I make sure I just put this part right where the water ends because I don't want it to like overspill. And put the lid on. And I'm gonna let this sit for about 4 minutes. I mean, I usually do 4 minutes for a hot coffee, but since I'm gonna be making an iced coffee, I'll probably just let it steep for maybe like 10 minutes, give it a nice extra strong flavor, and then let it cool down a little bit before I'm gonna pour it into my mason jar to put in the fridge. Okay, so this has been sitting for a couple of minutes and now I'm gonna show you how to push this down. You wanna be sure that you do it nice and slow. You'll see along the center, I'll try and get the camera nice and close for you, that it kind of gets bubbles in there, and I believe what it does is I don't know what it does, honestly. Okay, y'all, so again, like I said, I am doing mine iced. That's why I put it in this mason jar right here, but you can see that it's, I think that says 24 ounces, so it makes a lot. And I do suggest, if you like your coffee sweetened, to throw some sugar in here while it's still warm, so that way it'll dissolve easier. But you can also just make a simple syrup and put it in there if you prefer to do that. All right, y'all, well, that's it. I poured mine into the mason jar. Like I said, I am making an iced coffee. You can still see the steam coming up, so I'm gonna be sure to let this cool off before I put the lid on. I'm gonna make sure it's like room temperature. I'm gonna put it in the fridge overnight and it'll be ready to go in the morning. If you do make this in the morning, it'll be ready for the afternoon. So I hope y'all enjoyed. I hope you found it easy and I hope you give it a try. Be sure to subscribe and we'll see you next time.